Does Profits Passport actually work? Can you make money with Profits Passport? And if so, how do you make money with Profits Passport? Hey, it's Ari here. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, on your way in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and this way you're going to be notified of all future videos that I release on this channel. And so if you're someone that is looking to create a full-time income online this year, then definitely be sure to subscribe, as I'm going to be putting out some really helpful videos to help you do just that. But let's go ahead and let's dive into today's video, which is, of course, is this actually working for people who are brand new? Profits Passport, right? So what I want to do in this video is I want to actually show you some results in terms of what other members are able to do with this exact system. And then, of course, I will talk about how the system works and, of course, how you can get up and running with it, right? So this is actually very beneficial if you're someone who is brand new, if you're someone who is just getting started, if you've tried other things in the past and you haven't been able to have success online before, or maybe you are someone who is you hate selling, you hate sales, and you want something that is simple. And also, if you happen to be someone who is non-technical, then definitely stick with me towards the end of this video, because this may actually benefit you quite massively, right? So let's go ahead and let's dive into the actual results members are getting. So this is actually inside of the Facebook group for the system. And as you can see, right, here is a member by the name of, not sure how to pronounce the name. I'm probably going to butcher it if I try to pronounce it. $1,000 commission at 10:41 a.m. So pretty phenomenal stuff. And so this is actually really great in terms of earning high ticket commissions. So as you can see, $1,000 a day that she had right there. Here we have a member by the name of Amanda who got a $2,000 commission, and this was actually her first $2,000 a day, as you can see in this post right here. Today is my first $2,000 day, and I've been on vacation for the past 5 days without looking at my business at all. Now, really think about this for a minute, right? Because of how well the system converts, because of how well everything is set up, and how well it, of course, converts cold visitors into people who invest large amounts, this system does a phenomenal job at getting people to, enroll in the high ticket amounts right here, right? And so imagine this for a minute, right? You're on vacation, you're spending time with family, you are just taking time off work to pretty much just kind of sit back and kind of, enjoy some time off, right? And so during that time, you happen to check your email and you see a commission there, which is $2,000. Now, let me ask you this, right? If you check your email and you see an email that says you earned a $2,000 commission, do you feel like that would brighten your mood for the day? Would you feel like that would make a massive difference for you? I know for a lot of people, especially those who are just getting started, this would make a massive difference, and this is actually the reality of many newbies that have plugged into this exact system right here, right? And so that's pretty phenomenal right there, right? And here we have another member by the name of Jane who had a $4,000 day actually. So this is just huge right here, right? This is almost like unheard of for people who are brand new to jump into something and then not only earn their first sales, but earn these high ticket sales, like that, right? So as you can see, $4,000 a day from two commissions, each of $2,000. And so imagine that, right? And let me ask you this, right? Let's say that your income goal is, $5,000 a month, right? You want to make a full-time income. I'm assuming that if you're watching this video and you are sticking with me towards the end, I'm assuming that you're someone that wants to earn a full-time income, correct? Well, if that's the case, my question to you is, if your income goal is, let's say, $5,000 a month, how many sales of $2,000 would you need in order to hit a full-time income, right? So in this case, it would only be like 2 to 3 sales that you would need every single month in order to hit, 5,000 plus per month, which is pretty phenomenal when you think about it. And keep in mind, like, this is 2 sales that she got in one particular day, and $4,000 right there. A lot of people don't even make that at like their job where they work 40 hours a week and they're just constantly slaving away. And meanwhile, this system is helping complete newbies earn these very large amounts online, which is just absolutely phenomenal. So this right here, this system is an absolute game changer. And I know that there are a lot of other marketing systems like this, but what makes this particular system unique compared to the rest is this is primarily centered around helping you generate high ticket commissions online, not just low ticket, not just monthly recurring, but specifically high ticket commissions where you only need a small handful of sales, right? Here's another member, Sean, another 2K this morning while having breakfast with family. So 8 10:24 a.m. in the morning, as you can see right there. So imagine this: you just wake up, you check your email, you see that you've earned a $2,000 commission, and then of course you celebrate it by having breakfast with the family. So great way to start the day, and right off the bat, I know myself and a lot of other people would be absolutely ecstatic seeing this waking up. Here's another member, Dwayne, $2,000 commission, and then shortly after, $100 commission as well. We have Jesse, $25 commission. So you've got some low ticket commissions in there as well, but primarily it's high ticket commissions, which is great. And then of course we have the creator of the system itself, David Deacle, who earned just today actually $900 within 3 hours, right? So 3 payments each of $300. So pretty phenomenal stuff right here, right? This really just goes to show that this system is working, right? The results speak for themselves right here, right? So this system, the reason why it works so well for people who are brand new is because it's deliberately set up in a way where it is centered around promoting high ticket offers online, right? And so in particular, it focuses on one core offer that allows you to earn up to $2,000 commissions, but there's also other streams of income in here as well that you could earn from on top of this. And so this particular these particular commissions are actually from the second income stream, I believe, in here as well, right? Up to $300 per sale. So again, pretty phenomenal. Now the question is, how do you get started with this? And of course, how do you start making money with this exact system like these members right here? Well, the way that you get started is down below. There's a link which should be profitspassportsystem.com. When you go to that link, it'll take you over to this page right here. All you have to do is just enter your email in the field, click the button, and then that will take you over to a little quick welcome video from the creator himself, David Deacle. And then, of course, you see more testimonials right here on top of everything that I just showed. And then, of course, there's the button here to get on the webinar. Now, it's important that when you get on the webinar, you actually watch it all the way through to get a really good understanding of how it all works, exactly what you're getting access to. And then, of course, when you watch it all the way through, you know exactly what to expect and exactly how to use it, and you're not like lost once you get in. So make sure that when you watch the webinar, you watch it all the way through. And then once you watch the webinar, you will be prompted to sign up to a free account with Profits Passport. So once you get in your back office and you get your account set up, it's really just a matter of watching the quick video here, like 15-minute video. And then from here, it's simply like a 10-minute setup process. Very quick to set up. Really all there is to it is you just sign up to the different affiliate programs that are inside of here. There's 4 main affiliate programs you could earn from. So you just sign up to each affiliate program by clicking the button here to get signed up. And then, of course, you take whatever username that you've made with that specific program, you put it in the field right here, click Save and Update, and then, of course, you're eligible to earn on that stream of income, right? So you just do that for the 4 streams of income right here. And then once you have them set up, all there really is to it is you just take the link that is right below this video and you just promote this one link, right? And so whenever someone goes through your particular link and they opt in, the system does all the other explaining for you on the back end. You don't have to worry about filming your own sales videos. You don't have to worry about doing any sort of email follow-up. That's all taken care of for you. And this system does a really phenomenal job at not only getting people to buy into the higher ticket program, but it also offers a lot of people, it also offers a lot of bonuses for people who do invest in the high ticket amounts, which of course makes it a irresistible offer for a lot of people, especially those who are just getting started, right? So this is very beneficial to you if you're someone who wants to earn a full-time income online. If you want to earn a full-time income online in perhaps, based on everything that I've seen, the simplest way possible as a complete newbie, this right here is really the best way that you can start online if you want to get into high ticket affiliate marketing. Right now, if you want to do low ticket affiliate marketing, you could do that if you want to. You could find some other video that'll teach you low ticket affiliate marketing. You could do programs that pay residual. Those are really good as well. However, if you specifically want to earn high ticket commissions online, then it really benefits you the best to have a system like this that focuses on promoting high ticket offers. And that's really what makes this system unique compared to a lot of other marketing systems out there, is this one is primarily centered around helping you earn high ticket commissions online. And as a bonus, when you decide to get signed up down below, I don't even think I mentioned this, right? But one bonus that I actually have for people who sign up under me is I actually provide you with a free training, a step-by-step training series that literally shows you everything in terms of how I market online, right? You could use this exact training right here, and this shows you how I market Profits Passport, and also I've even used this training for another system similar to this that I was a part of as well. That's also helped a lot of my members get really great results as well. So you could use this entire training right here. And what's really great about this training that you're getting in addition to the system itself is with the system, this primarily shows you how to promote your link using paid traffic, right? And so paid traffic is really great if you want to get lots of traffic very quickly, if you want to get up and running quickly. However, if you don't have extra money to spend on paid traffic, then this training right here shows you how to use free traffic. In other words, how to use TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels. And so you could plug into the free traffic training that I have inside of here, and it really shows you how to market on those different platforms without having to have your own voice in the video, or even without having to show your own face in the video, right? So I show you plenty of different methods that you could use to get free traffic online, and it's just a really great way to get up and running with this, and of course maximize your results with this exact system, right? So the very best thing that you could do if you're someone who really wants to earn these high ticket commissions like these is you want to go down below, you want to come to this page, and then you want to follow the steps that it lays out for you right here, right? As long as you can follow the steps, you watch the videos, you actually go through everything step by step in the order that it's presented, and also you take advantage of my free training that you're getting access to as well, which will also include the playlist down in the description. You could bookmark this page if you want, you could save it, like that. And so as long as you take advantage of the system, you follow it to the T, and of course you consider going through my training as well, then I know for a fact you could definitely do very well with this exact system. And just a little side note before I end this video off is that this system is created by David Deacle, and every single time that David Deacle has put something out, any sort of new system, it always ends up performing extremely well, right? It always ends up becoming a very high converting system. And, every time that I see it, a new system by David Deacle, I jump on it immediately because I know that there is huge money to be made with everything that he puts out. So if you want to earn the big dollars online, get plugged in to the system that we're using down below. Go to the first link, get started, and of course, go through the training right here. And my friend, I promise you will not regret it as long as you take action. So with that being said, take care and see you in the next one.